All right, now I'm going to take a picture of a allergy, cold, cough, and sinus section. I find my section starting at the left. I hit the blue button as I snap the pictures, moving to the right, making sure I have enough overlap between the picture to the left to the right. Keeping mindful of the product on the top and the bottom of the screen. I could have done a better job right there. Good learning experience, and as you go along, keep snapping those pictures to the end. Finish off there. My survey questions pop up. Identifying the aisle location with question number 1, confirming the allergy products I see, and then confirming the cold, cough, sinus, and flu. I did notice I didn't get cough drops in this, so I have to hit done and capture the cough drops on the other side of the aisle. It's a good learning experience to make sure you're aware of what you're taking at all times.